How to add Skrill to Shopify. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this complete step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to go over every single process in order to completely connect it from step 1 to the end. So let us begin right away. And I'm over here inside my Shopify store. Now, in order to add Skrill, we need to go to our settings. So click on there. Once you are in the settings, we need to go to the payments. Here in the payments, we need to go to the supported payments methods and add another payment method. So if you click on here, we can either search by payment method or search by provider. So I'm going to simply search for Skrill. And once I have searched for that, I will see Skrill official. And then I'll click on it. And here we can see this. So now if I once again click on it, it will ask this. So here it says about Skrill official. The Skrill payment gateway allows blah, blah, blah. So pretty much what we need to do is install it. So if we click on install, a new tab will appear. And here we need to install the Skrill app. So let's just do that real quick by simply clicking on install. And we have to wait for it to install. Now this should go pretty quickly. And once we are here, most tutorials will simply stop here, but I'm going to show you guys what to do when you are at this step. So we need a merchant ID, email, secret word, API password, and a logo URL. And then we need to submit this to Shopify. What that you actually need to do is create a Skrill business account. So a lot of these tutorials will tell you to just create a Skrill account, but we need a Skrill business account. Or else we cannot get our correct merchant ID and secret word and the API password and whatever. So what you need to do is go to Google and then search for Skrill business account. And once you search for that, you will actually get a Skrill sign up for business account page. Now here you need to enter your email address. Now once you've entered your email address, scroll down and click on submit. Now once you are at the point where you need to create a business account, you need to enter every single bit of information about your business. Now, unfortunately, I cannot show you this because, I do not have such a business where I need to have Skrill, but you need to add your company name, your trading name. And here is, there's a bunch of question marks which will help you out. For example, your account type, your processing email, your administrator email, and every part with a star is required to fill in. So obviously your address, and then you also need to, for example, add your industry, your sub-industry, or at least things that are as close as possible to your company. And then you can add your website over here, your business contact and ownership, for example, your contact, your director, additional business information. So a lot of this is also required. So Skrill just knows what your company is about, so you're not like some scam company, right? And once you have filled everything in, you need to submit this, and you should be in your business account. You might have also need to confirm some stuff as well in terms of identification. But once you have done that, you can actually go ahead and get back to your Skrill settings. Now here in the merchant ID, your Skrill customer ID, it is displayed in the upper right corner of your Skrill account. Now this is a regular Skrill account. Your Skrill business account will probably look different, but here as well in the upper right corner, here you can see your customer ID, which you need to copy and then paste that in here for the merchant ID, right? Then add your email address where you have registered your business account on. Then here we can see the secret word. Now, this feature is mandatory. It ensures that the integrity of the data posted back to your servers. To set it up, you need to log into your Skrill account and go to settings, then developer settings. That is where you can create or find your secret word. Now, a lot of these tutorials have shown you to create a regular Skrill account. And if you go to the settings, there's no such option as developer settings. You need to have a business account for that. So then you can go back. Then here we need to enter the API password, which is also found in the developer settings. Then here we need to have a logo and then submit everything. Once you have submitted all of these parts, which unfortunately I couldn't show you exactly, I tried my best to explain everything in detail, so hopefully this helped you out. But then at that point, you are pretty much done. So that is pretty much it. That is how to add Skrill to Shopify.